this video, we are going to talk about evaluating an expression. To evaluate an expression means to determine the number that the expression is equal to. For example, let's evaluate 3 plus 7 times 2. We multiply first. 7 times 2 is 14. So that gives us 3 plus 14. We then add. 3 plus 14 is 17. So the value of the expression is 17. We can even write 3 plus 7 times 2 is equal to 17. Now let's look at 3 plus 7 in parentheses times 2. The parentheses tell us to add first. 3 plus 7 is 10, so we have 10 times 2, and 10 times 2 is 20. So here we can write that 3 plus 7 in parentheses times 2 is equal to 20. These examples show us that evaluating is important. But there's another skill that is just as important: seeing the structure of the expression before calculating it. Sometimes we do not need to fully calculate an expression to answer a question about it. For example, let's look at 1 plus 2 times 3,927. And I want to ask, is this even or odd? Well, we could calculate this, but let's pause and look at the structure. 2 times 3,927 will be even because it's 2 times a whole number, and 2 times any whole number gives us an even number. So now what we really have is 1 plus an even number, and an even number plus 1 is odd. So this expression, 1 plus 2 times 3,927, is odd. We did not need to calculate 2 times 3,927. We only needed to notice the structure of the expression. This is an important habit for future elementary teachers. Students often think math is only about getting an answer, but mathematical thinking also includes noticing patterns, structure, and relationships. A student who can see that 2 times 3,927 must be even is using reasoning. A student who knows that an even number plus 1 is odd is connecting number properties to expression structure. This kind of thinking helps students become stronger problem solvers. So when we evaluate an expression, yes, we determine its value. But before we evaluate, we should ask, what are the parts of this expression? What operations are involved? Are there terms? Are there grouping symbols? Is there structure that helps me reason without doing every calculation? The big idea for this video is evaluating tells us the value of an expression, but noticing structure helps us understand the expression. Both skills matter.